It's me again. I'm just back. Fluffy doggy. Here he is. Well, you did the first show today. We saw you on the. You got the chuggy check. Uh-oh. Look who's here. Look who's here. The chicken is back. Oh, no. 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 No, you don't. You're not going to choke him, and you're not going to hump him. That's not nice. No. 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 He wanted to hump that chicken. Stop it. Let's say hello to our guest. What we got here? A little bit. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Get out. Yeah, that dog want to get upset. I know. I know. I know he get. No! Leave the fluffy dog alone. Oh, he bitch slapped me, huh? Oh, stop it, fluffy doggy. Why you bitch slap? Let's get back over here. We don't want to start. Fluffy doggy, what the hell are you doing? Oh, what the hell? Fluffy, cut it out. Is that turkey chicken? Oh no! Stop it, fluffy doggy. Oh my God! You sort of saw what happened. You don't mean to. Okay, all right. He's sorry. Bird! What was that? What was that, fluffy doggy? Who said that? Who said that? Stop it! Get out of here! Don't curse. That's not nice. Fluffy don't like language. I know. Alright, we got a little guest for you. It's the pug dog on the show. Pug dog, what's the matter? What's the matter? Something bother you? Pug dog, Fluffy, there's something wrong with the pug dog. See what's wrong with him. Puffy, I'm gonna put you down and see what's wrong with the pug dog. Are you okay? What's the matter? Something bother you? What's the matter? He looks a little sad. Oh, he missed the bulldog. Yeah, we had lost a stuffed animal at least a few weeks ago, a month ago, or last September. Yeah, he was having a plaything. He was trying to hump him. Why don't you want to hump him? You don't want to hump the fluffy doggy. Alright. You may go back down. No, fluffy doggy. No! What's going on? What's going on? Oh, oh my, no, 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 oh, no, 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 fluffy doggy, don't stop! Stop! Oh, shit. God damn it! God damn it, fluffy doggy! Oh, shit! Oh, what happened? Fluffy doggy, stop! Stop! Ah! Oh my God! Don't do that! I want to hunt that chicken. He did it a second time! So it doesn't stop! Alright, let's get to another guest on the Fluffy Doggy Show. What? He's a bad dog? Want to punch him. Yeah, that should happen. That happened. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stop! Get out! This is Fluffy Doggy here. I know, I know. Okay, I think we have enough for you. Time for the end of Fluffy Doggy to say bye. So let's say bye-bye to all the viewers. See? He's ready, bye-bye. Alright, thanks for watching. What you doing? No, Fluffy, go. Okay, now I'm not letting him do that.